Why choose a financial planner? Meet Scott and Tina. They've been trying to navigate the financial highway for years now. They've been lost, misdirected and confused with the information that seems to surround them on their journey, and feel that they're slowly running out of resources and time to help keep them on their dream path. They were always under the impression that a financial planner was for the rich and wealthy and thought they didn't need one. Enter the financial planner. The financial planner sat down with Scott and Tina and talked to them about their dreams and future financial goals. They explained how, with the right advice, strategies and information, Scott and Tina could increase their savings, slow down their spending and achieve their dreams sooner. The financial roadmap they provided was exactly what Scott and Tina needed. It made sense to have a financial planner, and now the road ahead is clear and easy. Contact us today